Hi, once again. Thank you for tuning in. I am going to be showing you how we can link our web pages to allow users or visitors to download any files that you want to share with them. Um, for example, you may want them to download a file that you want to that you have provided tutorials for, or you want simply just to share some information for them so that they can download. So I'm going to open up. I have this web page and I want to be able to see what's going on. So I'm going to show you a top-down approach by showing you what it is that I'm doing. So I'm going to open it with Google Chrome, the index file. This is my tutorial section. This is my first main web page. I can't show you the full thing because it's not open fully, but you can see all the links that I've given here: categories of video, importing, exporting, table design, query design. They're all different hyperlinks to different pages in my web page. So I'm going to focus in first of all on the download links here. So if I just select the download link, and this is what I want to be able to do at the end, where the users I want them to share this database file. So if I click that, not double click, but if I click that, it should be downloaded onto the local computer of the users or the visitors local machine, and then they can do whatever they want really with that file. So I want to be able to do that. In order to do that, I'm going to delete this section and open this download file in Notepad, the HTML file in Notepad. So in order to do that, let me just save this first of all. I want to exit from this and open it with Word and then save it. So the index file is linked to the download page where the download details are. So I'm going to open it with, first of all, in Word, and let me just update the files because I want to be able to show that I want to download the information here really. So I want to delete that. So supposing you don't have anything and you want to position somewhere that you want to download things. So say you want to be able to position your link here, and you want to be able to find this position exactly in HTML code in the Notepad, which is going to be difficult because if you open this in Notepad, if I just show you this first of all, and I want to open it in Notepad, is going to be very, very complex and very difficult to find. So if I open it with Notepad, the HTML file, it's going to be very difficult to see where exactly I need to embed the code where I can put the link. And how are we going to do that then? So it's going to be here somewhere, but it's going to be very difficult to find. So the best way to do that is really to open this up again in Word and put some sort of marker there. For example, I could put asterisk, because then it's going to really stick out and stand out, so that you can see what is where it is embedded in the HTML code in Notepad. So if I first of all save this, if you don't save it, you won't be able to see it, obviously, and then open the download file in in Notepad. And now if I just go down, it was about 2/3 of the way down, or 3/4, you can see the information is there really. I want to be able to embed whatever code I want to put in here. So the code that relates to this is really really a link to your web page. In my case, is going to be that. So how do I get this Google thing, Google page folder ID here? So I'm going to show you. I'm going to be able to show you this. So the first thing you need to do is let's just minimize this for the moment, and we want to be able to log on to our Google Drive. So I'm going to open up my Google Drive, and I'm going to be opening up a different account. and my account is going to be I think that's my password, and I'll log in. Yes, it is. Nope, don't want to save it. Now I select the app, and in the app I can use the drive.